Hi guys, it's Lana Lulu, and I'm here with a Walmart Baby Registry gift box. All right, I took the plastic off already just to make it easier. So we're gonna see what's inside. Inside it says special delivery, a bundle of joy for you and your little loved one. And your little one. I can't read today. Okay, inside we have a packet of Gerber oatmeal cereal. Johnson & Johnson baby lotion, a pack of Huggies Natural Care Wipes, 16, a pack of Huggies Little Snugglers, that is 3 diapers, size 1. We have some shampoo and body wash. What's this? A nice little baby bottle, 4 ounce. Oh, there's the name. We also have a bottle of Dove tip to toe wash. Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo. A sample of breast pads and storage bags. Okay. Nano baby. What is this? Oh, let's see. Hospital go bag kit. Oh, wow. I am not sure. It actually looks like a couple of breast pads and yes, a couple of bags to hold your breast milk. There we go. That's what that is. Ha! If I would have turned it over, I would have figured it out. Ooh, and there's a pacifier and some coupons. We have Aquaphor healing ointment. This is really good. We do have a couple of coupons from Similac and some info. And then a congratulation card. I am so delighted you chose Walmart Baby to be a part of your special journey. I'll be here to help you build your dream registry and anything else you may need along the way. I can't wait. Your registry assistant, who? Oh, that's cute. And another pamphlet. And a keepsake card set, which is sealed. So that's it. That's everything inside the Walmart Registry, Baby Registry gift box. And I will be giving this to a friend of mine. She just had a baby, so I will be giving this to her with some other things. Alright guys, toodles!